This is Magic Wheel by Miracle Fireworks. It is a box set of 3 firework wheels, or pinwheels as some people call them. They're a little unusual in that these are handheld. You attach them to the end of a rod and you hold it in your hands sort of like a sparkler, as opposed to nailing it to a tree or board like most wheels. The photos here give you an idea of what the performance is supposed to look like. Now let's take a look inside the box. So here I've opened the box so you can see the different components. There is a little assembly required, which is a little different than most fireworks. You basically just get one rod for all 3 wheels. It's an empty cylinder open at both ends. These are the little plastic adapters that you use to attach the wheel to the rod. It just pops right to the end of the rod and then into the center of the wheel. As for the wheels themselves, you can see there's 3 different types. One says gold, one says silver, and then there's a rainbow one that says it's gold and silver. Now let's light these up and see how they perform.
Hey.